everyone, my name is Denise Reed and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bramble Reed. So we've had 2 weeks of reviews. The first one was the salt dough beads. The second review was on best air dry clay on a gas stove. So this week we're going to be looking at how to make chalk paint and the different mediums that I used to use a chalk paint and how that chalk paint turned out. For the best creative DIY and fashion content, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified when I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts, fashion, and home repair that you are able to join. Now it's your turn. So I wanted to do a yarn review. The first thing I want you to notice before I move this is that there's a line that's here of separation. The other ones do not have the line. That looks like a line, but it's actually not. It's where there was color here and then this was the separation and the same thing. So this one's the only one that's separated. First thing I wanted to talk to you about is this one. This is the one that I put baking soda and paint. And let's see. Oh, look, it's hard. Oh, can you see that? Look at that. It's crazy. Oh, but you can still use it. Look at that, guys. If you were gonna do those clay vases and stuff like that, I didn't think you'd be able to still use it. And remember, it's the baking soda one, so you want that little bit of texture. So this is, I think this is close to a year. We did it closer to the fall. It isn't as runny as I thought it was, but you don't want it runny. You want it so that it's a little bit thicker. So that was baking soda and latex paint. So now we're gonna try this one. This one I believe was the outdoor one. Oh, okay. It's a little, feels a little thickish. Oh, there's nothing at the bottom. And I'm just gonna stir it, make sure everything's stirred. Now this brush is somewhat wet because I'm washing it. So the outdoor one, there was no residue at the bottom, easy to stir. Now this black one, you can't see it, but it looks like if the oil, or maybe it's just that you're able to see it better, the oil has lifted and so the oil is sitting at the top or something. I don't know what that is. There's a little bit of an odor. Oh, again, nothing's at the bottom. And this could be the water, you remember? Because we did mix it with water. And look at the side, the way it's just peeling down. So let's just do this. This one's like not, it wasn't thick at all. I didn't even really need to stir it that much. It's gray, not black. Now I wish I would remember if it was gray or black. I should have wrote the colors on them. I had meant to, but I put it away, so. But this one, all of them look the exact same. Wow, I'm impressed. Okay, this one doesn't have any water like the black one did. But look, can you see it's a little bit thick, but there's no residue at the bottom. There's nothing at the bottom, and yeah, this is it, you're done. Like, look at that. What was that? Was that a piece? Oh, okay, I thought there was something. We are going to, my goodness. So here it is. Okay. Nice and smooth. Here's the white one. Oh, no cut through, no nothing. Oh, but this one has this one has thickness at the bottom. Look at that. Okay, this one's really thick at the bottom. However, it is easy for me to stir and loosen it up. I just wanted to see if it's gonna do what the, when you use a plaster of Paris gets thick after a while and you start seeing those lumps on your project. So let's do this. That has a little bit of something at the end. It's not completely smooth, something's going on there. And then this is white, white on white. but it's still nice. It doesn't, I don't see any of that thickness. I don't see any chunks. So maybe this one's fine too. So I'm going to tell you which one had the baby powder, because someone had said that I didn't use baby powder on it. I did. I'm going to show you what I used. I think in the video I could have sworn that I showed you exactly what I used, but I'm going to refer you also to that video that shows you how to make this. So if you're interested, check up in the link and then also in the description box, and I will show you how I created these. Comment down below if you've watched the first video and if you have attempted to make the chalk paint. Let me know how it turned out, because as I was doing the review, the chalk paint was amazing. So I wanted to see if you guys had the same success. So these turned out absolutely amazing. I'm absolutely so shocked. So this is the blue. It still has the chalk paint effect. This was the stick that we did the first time. This is the one that I got, and this is the look. Very beautiful. Now the white, sorry, my daughter and I were doing a project, so that's what that is there for, but I'll explain that later on. So here's the white. It's the exact same. The white turned out the same. It doesn't have any lumps in it, and it's still chalk paint effect. Here's the black that I showed you guys the last time. Here's the stick from before. This is the stick from today. It's the exact same as before. There's no lumps. No lumps or anything in it. Very beautiful. Here's the red. Here's the stick from before, and here's the stick for today. And the red is the same way. Remember, the red was the outdoor one. It's the exact same thing. It still has the exact look, but it's still the chalk paint. Here is the blue with the baking soda. And remember, this is almost a year that I've kept this in here, and it still has the textured effect. It looks really good. Now that we've completed the review on chalk paint, I have written a 9-page guide on different designing platforms that will help you take the creative juices out of your head and put them on a digital platform. I've also included a list of tutorials that will help you guys understand these platforms better. Download the guide at the link in the description box. Also, are you interested in joining a group of creative minds like yourself, where we'll be uploading different DIY posts and home renovation? I do have my Facebook page, and you can check the link out in the description box. Check out these reviews next on salt dough beads and the best air dry clay on a gas stove, and then my upcoming video, which we're going to just look at some of the repairs that I've done in the house and how they've held up. If you like this video, hit the like button, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and share it with your family and friends.